market mga kasweet langs. Kay my husband. This is the open market. And ang sabi nila, madami daw ditong mga meron madaming mga gulay-gulay. So yeah, ay may mga closed din. How busy. It's really busy here. Yeah. Nilagay ko na yung cardigan ko kasi akala ko mainit. Ang daming tao. Look at si Habi, oh. May mga fishes. Look at that. So that's Lloyd's Bank. So, I guess let's go this way. Huh? Oops. Tingin daw si husband ng mga fish. Wala na. Baka naging kinamalinis. Norwich Market and the Norwich Cathedral are the iconic landmarks in the history of the city of Norwich, England. Here's the quick guide to both. Norwich Market is the one of the largest and oldest open-air market in the country, operating since the 11th century. Right in the city center, by Gentleman's Walk and near the City Hall. So, what do you expect in this beautiful market? It's a vibrant mix of local produce, street food, clothing, crafts, and especially good food. Popular store for fish and chips, vegan treats, Asian street food, and artisanal products. Great for budget-friendly lunch or quirky souvenir shop. I can say that the atmosphere is very friendly, lively, and full of local character. Great place to soak in the city vibes. The market and cathedral are within a 10-minute walk to each other. It's ideal for a half-day visit. You have to start first at the cathedral and explore the market for lunch or snacks. Both are close to Norwich Castle. It's another top attraction which I've showed you in my previous vlog. It was just a walkable places to visit from the castle going to the open market.
That's obvious by the relationship you have.
We are here at Elm Hill, mga kasweet langs. And look at the view. Wow. Look at that. So, nakakapagod lang but it's really beautiful here. Wow. And this. Elm Hill. Welcome to Elm Hill. So, naglilikod. Look at that. Breton's Arms. Cafe, house, and restaurant. Oh. Nasa gitna tayo ng kalsada. Pag may nagbusina mga kasweet langs, ibig sabihin, nakahambala tayo sa kalsada. So look at this masterpiece. Wala yung husband ko na iwan na doon na naglakad kasi masakit na daw yung paa niya. Look here. This is the Instagrammable part of the Elm Hill, the monastery. So, ang sarap ng hangin dito. Oh, yes. O, diba? And I'll show you. Look at the view. Grabe, parang alam mo yung mga nakikita mga kasweet lang sa Instagram, na mga photos, yan na yun mga ka-sweet langs. Tsaka kung makikita nyo yung bahay, bangking yung bahay mga ka-sweet langs. Elm Hill. Mga ka-sweet langs, kalsada pala ito. Elm Hill is a photographer's dream. Whatever the season, it retains its character and beauty. In the summer, wander around browsing shops such as the Bear Shop, the quaint little place of specializing bears and collectibles. In the autumn, wander at the rich colors of the falling leaves. Oh, I just wanted to add some additional information about Norwich and which I forgot to mention with my previous blog. So, some asked, was the Harry Potter filmed in Norwich? And the answer is yes. Portions of the Harry Potter film series were filmed in Norwich Cathedral, especially, it's in the Norwich Cathedral. The cathedral was filmed as a filming location, serving as the backdrop of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, particularly for scene involving the Transfiguration classroom. So while walking, just go inside this alley and you can find this very beautiful coffee shop which they called Courtyard Cafe. And we are going back now to the city center, and I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful walkable tour in Elm Hill.
Great afternoon.
Doon lab sa gitna. Doon nasa gitna.
And I wish that I was good enough. If only I could pick you up. Tell me more, tell me something.
Yeah, well, my dad was a musician. He still is, but he's
Doon nasa labs. Doon nasa taas. Alam nyo, nalaman ko na may discount yung Bath and Body lotion and perfume nila. And I bought 16 pieces which I'm going to send to Philippines. And hindi ko ina-expect. Akala ko mas mahal pa. Nakamura pala ako. Parang gusto ko pang bumalik. Yeah. Tingnan niyo yung husband ko. Hindi siya sumama.